Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today in this video, I'll be guiding you through how you can repost a video on TikTok. So let's get started. Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you will never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started. Firstly, open TikTok app in your device. Find a video which you want to repost. After that, tap on share button. Then you can see the repost option. Tap on it. So this is how you can repost a certain video on TikTok. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.